The computer case houses all the internal components of a desktop, providing protection and airflow for cooling. It comes in various sizes, such as ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, depending on the motherboard size. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all components of the computer, allowing them to communicate with each other. It includes slots for the CPU, RAM, storage, and expansion cards, as well as ports for external devices. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. It consists of multiple cores and threads, impacting processing speed and multitasking capabilities.